Did you know that Windows has built-in commands that can reveal detailed information about your system? From your IP address to hardware drivers, you can access a lot of useful information directly from the command prompt. In this video, I will show you 5 useful Windows commands that every user should know. So let's begin the video. First, open the command prompt. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and then open it. The first command is ipconfig. This command displays network configuration information for your computer. It shows details like your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. An IP address is a unique number assigned to your device so it can communicate with other devices on a network or the internet. The next command is systeminfo. This command shows detailed information about your computer system. It displays the Windows version, system manufacturer, installed RAM, processor details, and even the system boot time. This command is very useful when you want to quickly check important system information. The third command is getmac. This command displays the MAC address of your network adapters. A MAC address is a unique hardware identifier assigned to a network card. It helps identify devices on a local network. The fourth command is hostname. This command displays the name of your computer. The hostname is used to identify your device when it is connected to a network. The fifth command is driverquery. This command lists all the drivers installed on your Windows system. Drivers are software components that allow Windows to communicate with hardware devices like printers, graphics cards, and keyboards. These were 5 useful Windows commands that help you quickly access important system information. Using command prompt can save time and help you understand your computer better. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tutorials.